am everybody Diner. Please relax and enjoy the ride as we connect you to our state-of-the-art touristic complex, where we take you beyond the Orlando experience.
This is all very Hitchhiker's Guide to the Universe, vast and empty. Orlando Terminal C, Shake Shack. Look at this. New Universal store in the terminal. Look at all the goodies. Photo ops. Optimus. Taking the elevator to the second floor of this store in the airport terminal. Harry Potter. Cute. Who needs real water? SeaWorld, Summer House, 360, Premium Lounge, George Wine Bar. Wow. It's the Forbidden Forest. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's us. It's literally me when I'm dead. Get your specs away from me. My sparkles. Oh. They got Kenny Chesney playing at the Walt Disney Store. The Millennium Falcon's out here. What the hell is an aluminum falcon? Disney. Oh, that looks familiar. All kinds of goodies in here. Cask and Larder. Heading to the gate. Got like fake windows. Projections here. Perhaps the scene is changing. Oh.
Sit here for hours and just stare at the screen.
Look at that. I'm gonna get breakfast at Sunshine Diner from Art Smith. Breakfast. Orlando Brewing. We're gonna peek around. Bam. We stayed here when this hotel opened and did a video review of it. We'll put that up there. Some of this is looking a little worse for wear. The floor is breaking and there's no spin dial there. Can you tell me how to get to Carnegie Hall? Practice. Oh my goodness. It's the Trump rat guy. We are getting into New York City the day that Donald Trump surrendered himself for his indictment, Lower Manhattan. The protesters, not to be seen. Coming up on Trump Tower, news stationed diagonally across the street. More news stationed. Everyone ready to do their live broadcasts. I can't tell you how many people are walking by, taking pictures and laughing. They got these police buses out here blocking everything. Heavy security. He's already turned himself in about 10 minutes ago downtown. There it is. It's about as close as we're gonna be able to get. So many angry people here, all up in arms. Literally nobody. We've reached our final destination for this leg of the trip. Time for some fried chicken. World famous soul food. I gotta go ribs and chicken combo. Some mac and cheese and potatoes with some gravy. And you?
I'm getting pork chop with black eyed peas and potato salad.
Smothered. First time with this cornbread. So sweet. It smells like candy. Ribs and chicken platter, dark meat. You had to get a side of gravy. That was amazing. The chicken breading was incredibly crispy, delicious. The chicken itself was so juicy. The ribs, amazing. Sylvia's tangy sauce covering the ribs, fall off the bone, and your pork chops. So up in the Bronx, check out a Yankee game. That'll be the real end of the vlog, or a new vlog, but check out this crane here. They're filming Joker Part 2. This is the Joker stairs right here. Joker car, shut up. More cars and set pieces to film the Joker movie. Classic cop cars up there, look at that. The crane is getting up. Shoot a shot from the air. Check it out. They got all the old cars out here, set dressing. There's one last clear look at the stairs before we get out of here. They're done shooting for the day. All right, well that concludes day one of New York randomness. New terminal at Orlando International, nice, very blank space, lots of unused space. The cab ride over was probably one of the most enjoyable things of the day, just absolutely bonkers with the cab driver. And the rest of the day, it kind of just felt like sliding back into norm of being home again. But we got a lot more planned for the rest of the week. Thanks a lot for coming along. Thank you very much for all of your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Have a great night. We'll see you guys.